Loving you means that I give you my heart, my love, my whole self. You'll always come first before anything else. Loving you means that I give you my faith, my trust, my confidence. Promise to always be true, to be loyal, to be honest. Loving you means you are a part of my life, my dreams, my future. You are a part of me, now and forever. You know what I miss most about you? The silent talks we used to have, because they proved that we really knew each other, and that we were that close, that we didn't even need words to understand each other. I promise to always understand, and my heart wants you to know that when you will hold my hand, I will hold it tight and never let go. Because no matter if it's night or day, I just can't stop thinking about you. And my heart always wants to say that I just can't stop loving you. I love you, sweetheart. I have fallen in love with you, and I'll never let you go. I love you more than anyone. I just had to let you know. And if you ever wonder why, I don't know what I'll say, but I'll never stop loving you, today, tomorrow, and every day. Perfect love is not receiving, it's giving and forgiving. Perfect love is not giving red roses on Valentine's Day. It's the rest of 364 days of knowing you love someone. Perfect love is not phone calls and stolen kisses. It's the silent smiles and memory of your sweetheart. Perfect love is not a grand wedding, but spending a lifetime together. Perfect love is not fight, kiss and makeup. It's loving the one who annoys the hell out of you. I love you. I am who I am because of you. You are every reason, every hope, and every dream I have ever had. And no matter what happened to us in the future, every day we are together is the greatest day of my life. I will always be yours. You are the sweetest angel from above. You came and filled my heart with love, and you showed me love I never knew. No wonder I can't live a day without you. I don't know if we will always stay together, but I know I'm gonna love you forever. I want you to know that you are my destiny, and that I wanna thank you for loving me.